What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to flash the ScooterHacking utility on Ninebot Max G2 here. So first what you need to do is to download the app called ScooterHacking utility, open the app and find your scooter here. Then first time you pair it, need to press one time like this, so it's paired now. Then you need to go to flash, then install update ScooterHacking firmware, click on the version 3.11, okay, let's click 3.10 actually, it's also fine, or 3.11, up to your choice. Click start flashing, so now it starts installation of ScooterHacking firmware core to your DRV, so need to wait maybe 1 minute, stay close with your device and I will be back with the result. Alright, so it's done, actually it's 100%, now let's wait until it will be success, so it's success here. And as you see, we have ScooterHacking utility, so you can change all the settings and the information is shown DRV from ScooterHacking utility. And actually you can set up the speed up to 50 km per hour using this setting. So I have separate video on ScooterHacking utility how to set it up. And actually that's how easily you can install ScooterHacking utility on Ninebot Max G2 or any other Ninebot scooter in 2026.